What is up, you guys? Styles here, back at you with another video. Yes, long time no see. Thanks for stopping by. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you a dime. So this video is like a year change overdue, so we're not going to waste your time. We're going to get right into it. This mug here is from the Dollar Tree. It's like $1 and some change. We're going to see if we can supplement on it. We've used our polyacrylic. As you can see here, we're applying the polyacrylic, and we're going to use our heat press, mug press. If you have a convection oven, you can follow along at home and do that. So we're going to do that. Get this mug wrapped up, get it coated, and wrap a bit. I mean, as you can see here, this polyacrylic is very messy, and it just takes a lot to do this. Go over it and over it. We can easily just went to your store or clicked on your favorite website and just purchased a mug that was made for sublimation. So me personally, I don't really recommend it. I mean, you got to do so much to get this to work for you. First off, what you need to do is get you some acetoner, wipe away the first layer, because it's like a thick coat or gloss that they put on these, and the sublimation is not going to stick to this. So that's the first part. Second part is, I don't recommend that you drink from this. Put these in your microwave or any of those things, dishwasher, blah blah blah. I mean, not just because you coated it with the polyacrylic, but I wouldn't trust anything from the Dollar Tree. I mean, I'm not a fan of lead. Secondly, it's probably cheaper and easier just to order them as they're intended from your local vendor. Sublimation mugs are not that expensive, especially nowadays. Like, you can find them anywhere. So yeah, in 2023 there's really no reason to do all of this. Now, when I made the suggestion, it might have been a thought, but there's been so many advances. So for today's project, what you're going to need is a sublimation print, some scissors, your coffee mug that has been coated with polyacrylic, and your heat tape. And last but not least, your mug press. Or if you use a convection oven, that'll work too. So we're going to go ahead and take our scissors and cut a portion of this to wrap our mug, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, so our press is at the desired 400 degrees, and we're going to go ahead and get this pressed. And I forgot how much sublimation smells. So just slide it in there. Slide it down. And like I said, we're going to go 200 seconds. So how's it been going for you guys? It's a good look. Me and myself, I mean, I've been doing a lot of traveling. I'll insert some clips here. I've been doing a lot of traveling, getting ready for the upcoming football season. As I said before, I'm super hyped about that. So be on the lookout for videos. There will be more. Maybe some fashion here and there. Just overall variety. Not so much of the heat press. Unless you guys have like questions, I'm always here to answer questions. Do videos when I can to help you guys out. But as of right now, my schedule, like, it's gonna be real hard for me to sit in front of the camera and do the whole heat press thing, but I will break out the camera and take you guys along with me if you guys are so inclined to do so. And so yeah, that's pretty much about it. Just a lot of traveling, trying to get this business situation right, trying to get a travel vlog going on, at least a montage of wherever I've been, a little camera dump. This is extremely hot. And yeah, this needed to have, it's also really hot though. Need to have the top coating, the top layer removed, and you would have got a better finish. Anyway, we're gonna let this cool down a little bit. I mean, not really gonna do much better, but anyway, we're gonna let it cool down, let you guys see it up close, and I'll talk to you guys a little more about why I think that it's not a good look. Okay, so 200 seconds later, what do we have? We got a mug that came out pretty much like I thought it would. Not very good at all. What you're going to want to do is take your acetoner and remove the first layer in order to get a good press. And even then, like, it's not worth the hassle. You can easily go to your local vendor and get your mugs made for sublimation. Gonna come out cheaper, less mess, less time involved, and you could possibly drink out of it. Because this, I definitely would not. Anyway, this has been Styles. Thanks for stopping by. You guys be kind, and hopefully I'll see you around sometime. Dollar Tree mug. Don't bother. But do bother subscribing and telling a friend.